Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I am back with my review for Murron. Excuse me. I've got two gorgeous, beautiful colors here from them. No number, no name, but here they are just to show you. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I had a great deal of fun with them. Look at that one. This is my favorite. Love this color. So, they are a peel-off system, so don't forget that. That is the big attraction, especially for me, because I change my polish a lot, and with the gel, you can't. So, Murron has inquisitively came up, I don't know what word to throw in there, but that sounded good. They've came up with this line of peel-off gel polish. The top coat uses a base coat as well. I wasn't clear on that, but because it says peel-off top coat, but I was informed that you can use it as a base as well. I'm going to set those off to the side. I've lost 2 nails already. Not sure when this one came off, but it did. So we're going to take our cuticle pusher. This one's been on the longest, so I think might give me the most trouble. But I know these two are going to pop right off. And just peel away. And there's your peely. Your little peel porn, I guess they call it. I don't know. There you go. There is your gel nail polish. The nails are squeaky clean. I would love to get this one off, but I don't know. Let me pause. Let me work at the tip of this, and I'll be right back. We've got a little start here. We might peel these aside. Let's see if I can get this to peel off. I did cap the end of my nails. Yep, and this just comes right on off. No biggie. And there we go. And here are my nails. Maybe clean them up with actually nothing because it all came off. So here are my peelies. Here's the one from my thumb. Love, love, love. It definitely works. You have your peel-offs. And you can go again where you can do one color, do a different brand, whatever you want to do, different color of theirs. I think I may sport this one all together. Love this color. But this is my video to show you the removal process, and that was a piece of cake. And yeah. Give this video 2 thumbs up. Check the company out at mymurron.com. They are on Instagram as mymurron. Check them out. Check me out. I am just.nailedit. Give my video a thumbs up. Please share, share, share. In 2020 will be my year. Hopefully, I pray to hit 1,000. And I'm going to need the watch time. I'm going to need the subscribers. And I'm going to need your help to get me there. So we will talk about that another time. I just wanted to bring that up briefly. But, yeah. Oh, please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Murron. Let me know what you think of the peel-off. I thought it was pretty cool myself. Totally lived up to my expectations and beyond. But this is the end. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.